Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy from leftover grease. Strain the grease through a fine sieve into a heatproof container, then refrigerate until the fat separates. Warm the reserved fat and use a measured amount to make a roux with equal parts flour, whisking until golden. Gradually add seasoned stock while whisking to smooth, simmer to thicken, taste, and adjust salt and pepper before serving. Enjoy. Render extra drippings by slowly heating bones or scraps to extract more flavor for gravy. Degrease partially if you prefer lighter gravy, or keep it rich for fuller taste. Add aromatics like minced shallot or garlic, and deglaze the pan with wine or vinegar for depth. Use cream or milk for a creamier texture, or stock for a classic finish, and always taste and adjust seasoning before serving. Enjoy today. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice Freshener keeps your car smelling great after hauling greasy pans, and that crisp scent is oddly satisfying after a kitchen cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider picking one up for road trips with takeout. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To thicken gravy evenly, whisk a slurry of flour or cornstarch with cold water before adding it to hot gravy off the heat. Reheat gently over low heat while whisking to prevent lumps and separate fats. Store gravy in airtight containers up to 4 days in the fridge or freeze in portions for up to 3 months. When thawing, reheat slowly and whisk vigorously to restore smooth texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.